My fabulous, meaningful coincidence with the Siranta was almost overwhelming. I drew the star the day prior to the release of the news story about the giant Oregon glep. I formed the diamond with my vouchers called chits, which means consciousness in Sanskrit. The 14 triangles of the star that I colored represents the heart chakra. I found this out as I was writing an outline article about humanity's leap to the heart chakra. I consider this a strong confirmation of my theory. I later read that some people claimed to have made the pattern in the lake bed, but the claim was discredited by investigators. Two campers later reported UFOs over the lake bed at the time the formation appeared. The Bythorn Mandala crop formation appeared in September 1993. It was quite like an image in the Tantric way called a yantra to Kali. It is also like the symbol of the third chakra. Kali is the goddess of death or destruction creation. This is like a seed growing into a plant. The seed is destroyed in the process of the plant's growth. Kali, like the harlot of Revelation 17, represents our karmic stage of evolution, the Kali Yuga. In July 1990, I had a coincidence about fractal images from the Mandelbrot set and wrote a page of notes about its symbolism. Surprisingly, 13 months later, the Mandelbrot set appeared as a crop formation. It was a special design so that the buds fit with the tree of life pattern. Mark Stiles proposed the idea that the 1991 Barbary Castle formation represents the lower triad of the tree of life. In 1997, Dee and I wrote a series of articles about various chalk-related crop formations that had appeared over the years. In May of 1997, the Tree of Life appeared as a formation at Barbary Castle. In our article, we explained how the tree fits with the chakra system. In May 1999, the menorah appeared also at Barbary Castle. A slight adjustment of the form shows how the menorah fits with the Tree of Life. The 2003 Swallows formation also fits with the pattern. In 2004, the entire chakra system appeared as a crop formation at Fuseley Whitehorse. The nearby swastika cross formation was positioned to align between the third and fourth chakras, much like the judgment scene from the Egyptians. In 2001, a very large formation appeared at Milk Hill. It was a seed of life type and was composed of 409 circles. Norma Smith figured out that the English alphanumerics of the 7 chakra colors add to 409. In 2007, a spiral formation appeared at Yatsbury Field. It was composed of 23 groups of small circles. The coil was 3.5 turns like the Kundalini serpent. The center group of circles was positioned on a marker in the field so that 11 groups of circles were on each side of the marker. In 2009, a formation appeared at Knighton Hill that had 11 small circles on each side of the central one. In 2010, a serpent-type formation appeared at Walbury Hill, which had a similar arrangement. In 2010, I wrote an article about the many formations that suggest the chakra system. Quite a few formations displayed a crossover-type message. This seems related to the concept of the Tipra helix within the tree. The crossover from one side of the tree to the other is said to represent a polarity reversal, a karmic mixing, showing that everything becomes its own opposite in time. 2 chakra-type formations appeared that were similar. They had circles and crescents. We saw the triple goddess symbolism within it. In 1992, the Dharmic wheel appeared as a crop formation near Silbury Hill. Michael Green wrote that it is about human spiritual development in 9 steps. The meaning is similar to the Sri Yantra. Other formations also displayed 9 steps. There is a tradition of 9 steps within the Tree of Life. It is called the Flaming Sword, the lightning flash of creation. The related gematria is 777. The counterpart is the serpent of wisdom, which represents movement from the bottom of the tree to the top. It is similar to the rise of the Kundalini. The number 777 was apparent in the crops over the years. A big coincidence happened with the numbers and symbols on 9/11/2001.